The latest information about the iPhone 16 Pro suggests that it may not feature significant design changes compared to its predecessors. According to recent reports, the most notable updates expected are larger displays and the addition of a new capture button. However, the overall design and form factor are not anticipated to undergo major revisions. In terms of performance, Apple is reportedly preparing a more powerful version of its processor, the A18 Pro, specifically for the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max models. This processor is expected to challenge the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in terms of power, showing particularly strong performance in single-core tests. However, it might lag behind in multi-threaded performance based on early benchmarks. There are also discussions about potential improvements in the camera system. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to inherit the Tetra Prism 5X lens from the previous iPhone 15 Pro Max, contributing to its larger form factor. Additionally, rumors suggest an upgrade to a 48-megapixel sensor for the ultra-wide camera on the Pro models. Despite these hardware upgrades, significant advancements in generative AI features are not expected until at least 2025, contrary to earlier speculations that they might be introduced in the iPhone 16 series. It is important to note that these details are based on analyst predictions and leaked information, and as such, should be taken with a degree of caution. The exact specifications and features will only be confirmed upon the official announcement from Apple.